In this peaceful documentary, we travel deep into a remote mountain village near the Iran-Azerbaijan border, where nature, tradition, and family life still live in harmony. Surrounded by green forests, misty hills, and handmade stone houses, a warm rural family begins another simple yet beautiful day in the countryside. Early in the morning, the sound of birds echoes across the valley as the family wakes up before sunrise. Smoke slowly rises from the outdoor clay oven while Grandma prepares the firewood for baking traditional bread. The camera follows every detail of village life. The fresh mountain air, animals walking around the yard, children helping their parents, and the peaceful rhythm of nature untouched by modern city life. Inside the small rustic kitchen, Grandma skillfully prepares traditional Iranian flatbread on a hot sage. The dough is handmade, using fresh village flour and carefully flattened by hand before being placed over the fire. As the bread cooks, the aroma fills the air, creating a comforting feeling of warmth and home. Nearby, lentils and fresh herbs are slowly cooking in a large pot to make a delicious traditional stew for the family. Throughout the video, viewers experience the authentic lifestyle of villagers who depend on farming, livestock, and handmade food to survive. Chickens roam freely across the yard while sheep graze peacefully in the green hills. Family members collect vegetables from the garden, bring water from the mountain spring, and prepare fresh dairy products, using traditional methods passed down through generations. As the sun rises higher over the mountains, the family gathers together outdoors for breakfast. Fresh bread, homemade cheese, hot tea, herbs, and warm soup are served on a simple cloth spread over the ground. Laughter, kindness, and family connection become the true heart of the story. The documentary also explores the beauty of rural architecture and handmade village homes. Stone walls, wooden roofs, colorful carpets, and simple decorations reflect the culture and history of the region. Every corner of the house tells a story of hard work, love, and survival in the mountains. Later in the afternoon, the family continues their daily tasks. Some work in the garden, while others feed animals and prepare firewood for the evening. The peaceful sounds of nature, flowing rivers, wind through the trees, distant animal bells, and birdsong create a calming atmosphere that feels far away from the stress of modern life. As sunset approaches, golden light covers the hills and the village becomes even more magical. Grandma prepares dinner using fresh ingredients collected during the day. Traditional Iranian village recipes are cooked slowly over wood fire, while family members sit together, sharing stories and enjoying the quiet evening. This cinematic documentary captures more than just food and village work. It tells the emotional story of family connection, simplicity, survival, culture, and the timeless beauty of countryside living. Through beautiful visuals, relaxing sounds, and authentic traditions, viewers are invited to experience a world where happiness comes from simple moments, homemade meals, and being close to nature. The video ends with the peaceful night atmosphere of the mountain village. Stars shine brightly above the quiet countryside while the family rests after a long day of work. The fire slowly fades, the animals sleep peacefully, and the calm silence of rural life reminds us of the beauty of simplicity and tradition.